Hello, good morning, good evening, and good night.
The weather is showing blizzard.
The weather is in fact showing not one blizzard, not two blizzards, not three, not four, but 5 blizzard blaster boxes.
So get your hat and gloves or stay in your homes and watch this video.
Yes.
Blimey.
That is the weather forecast for today. So, as you can see, many of Blizzard blaster boxes.
How many packs is that?
There's 7 packs in a box, 8 cards per pack.
So
35 packs coming your way. Basically
So,
a booster box.
How this has happened is basically I was feeling a bit reckless and I bought a case. So this is a quarter of a case. There is 20 boxes per case. I'm only opening half of the case and I'm saving half the other case for another time. So yeah, let's get into it. Basically, go on.
No, should we pause the video, get the packs out and come back?
Yeah, that's what we're going to do.
It's a good idea.
Smashing.
Nice.
See you soon. So we're back. We've opened all the boxes.
You're supposed to
And
do
we
that.
have
Sorry.
no,
That's a bit late.
because I didn't click to begin with.
Oh, he's ruined it. Crack on. Sorry.
I always do that. It's getting boring. But yeah, we have our 35 packs. Ryan seems to think that this last stack has the big fire in it.
It's just a wild guess.
Yeah. Without further ado, let's get into it, shall we?
On we crack.
So the case hits that are meant to be given to us in a case of Blizzard Blasters. We're looking for Molten Core parallels, the Hearthstone books with the mini cards in them. But you're looking for the Horde cards, aren't you? Which come
Yes,
per pack.
1 per pack. I want to try and complete the base set, but for Horde, which is one of these cards. They're red, and that is Kel'Thas Sunstrider.
Nice. Is that a dupe?
Don't know.
We don't know.
We'll find out later.
Malthael, probably one of the coolest bosses from Diablo. Another Diablo boss.
So, Diablo, who are you in Diablo? Who do you play as?
So look at me.
Alright, I'll look at you. Who do you play as?
Well, currently this season, I'm playing a rogue,
Okay.
a barrage build. And that means nothing to you.
People will understand.
Hopefully.
Yeah, it's very good this season.
But the Hitman has opened up a hobby box and a couple of blasters of this already, so go check out our previous videos, which is why he's scrolling through the base a little bit quicker than usual.
Yes. We have the Horde of Jaina Proudmoore,
Jaina!
Zeratul, Diablo. Oh, that's a different artwork for Diablo. That's cool.
Nice.
Zul'jin and Imperius.
I tell you what, they do a lot, don't they, Blizzard?
Yeah,
One of the biggest video game companies in the world.
Who rivals them?
Activision. No, wait, no, they don't because they bought them.
Ubisoft?
Basically, anyone gets successful Blizzard buy it eventually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have Brightwing, Deathwing as a human, Maiev, Sigma Horde card.
From memory, that's one of the very few Horde Overwatch cards you need.
Yes.
Not Ligma.
No.
No, Sigma.
Sigma,
No,
Medivh,
PG.
Turalyon, and Gul'dan.
Tell you what, the artwork on these is stunning.
Yeah.
For context, Briggs knows nothing. I only play Overwatch these games, and then, yeah,
That's it, Dan's the...
Dan knows it. He got it.
I've played all
What do you call
of
it?
them.
The Professor of Blizzard.
Yeah, Professor Blizzard.
You could lecture people on this.
So there's
Mess
Mr.
Office.
His Met Office.
and Mr. Die. Or in the April Fools event, and just goes, "Wee."
I couldn't believe what is this? What is it called? Death Bloom, or the
Death Blossom.
Death Blossom? I was like, I thought it would be so much cooler sounding than that.
That is cool.
Yeah, Ryan.
Sylvanas, Lost Vikings 2, Horde of Aegwin.
I'll
Keith
pronounce
Ashby.
it for you. Aquaman. Sorry.
No,
I think that is a duplicate. There will be some, as Dan said, some other time he'll be cracking all the other blasters. So hopefully there'll be some base sets and some duplicate parallels for sale as well.
yes. We have Tassadar, a drone, Baal, and Arthas Menethil.
Maybe I need to start playing different games. Other
Maybe you need to start
Sport.
playing games.
Yeah, start playing games. Yeah.
than yeah. Saw point in the EDW group chat.
Winton.
Winton.
Winton Overwatch. May. Garrosh.
Jesus Christ.
Lucy O.
You're 5% lucky at it.
We have a horde of Orphea from Heroes of the Storm.
Don't remember seeing that one.
Uh,
So,
Terran Gorfiend,
sorry.
Trogol, and Duriel.
There's 200 horde cards to go.
Yes.
Correct.
This is a parallel with the base set.
And you get one per pack. Right,
That's
Lost Vikings.
Here we go.
Joanna. Lost Vikings again, but different art. We have a Heradric Cube
Ooh.
for Diablo, and I need that one because it's number 1.
Nice.
What are
Banger.
these, Dan? Do they make? If you take them out the card, can you make a cube?
Yes.
Sweet.
There's your answer. We have a Horde character of Gromash Hellscream, who once led the Horde in World of Warcraft.
The knowledge is just unmatched.
It is.
Sargeras.
It's incredible.
Belial, the Lord of Sin, I believe. And Gom, the Lord of Gluttony.
What are they like? What's
In
this?
fairness, you could say there's a character called Quick Fit Tires, Lord of Rubber, where we go, yeah!
Quick Fit Tires, Lord of Rubber.
Because we don't know.
It took me ages to get that.
What I'm trying to say is, Briggs and I, unless it's Overwatch for me, Briggs and I know absolutely nothing about what's going on here. So if Dan is indeed just powering us off with some weird stuff, then
We're
let us
not
know.
in partnership with QuickFit.
No, definitely not. Other tyre fitters are available.
Yes, they sure are. Myself included.
Lady Liadrin. RPM Racing. We have a Horde of Raynor.
Lord of.
No, it's just Raynor.
No, okay. When it's a lord, let me guess.
Okay. Lady Vashi. Anduin Lothar. Zergling and Inarius.
So they're not all lords. I've learned that.
Just the bad guys from Diablo.
Okay.
So the one thing Dan and I were discussing earlier about the parallels of what you can get in these blasters is that there's such a vast range of stuff you can get from Blizzard, but the blasters don't seem to give out. Obviously, a lot harder, which is always the same with blasters anyway.
100%.
Yeah.
I've
In
got a
some
Horde of Brigitte.
It's me.
Very long story short, though, there will be some more hobby boxes coming up, so
And we're still looking for that molten core, don't forget. So
definitely stay tuned.
if that pops in, you're in for a treat.
Yes.
They are just some of the most beautiful cards I've ever seen.
I just love everything about these.
It's like gaming all day. Coming to your mate's house HQ to open the cards that you've been gaming all day,
Yeah.
and then going home to game. That's incredible.
You just summed up Dan's life. Isn't it?
Pretty much. Material. Medivh. We have the Butcher. Horde.
Lord of Meat.
You know what? I'll give you that. I don't think he's not an actual Lord of Hell, but he's like one of the hardest bosses in the game. He
That
just
fella there. Tell
that
you
guy.
what, Danny's scaring me a little bit if I'm completely honest with you.
Yeah, but you just get scared by fluffy things. So
Yeah, well, they're deceiving.
So that's the
Candy
Roadhog has a skin of that, doesn't he?
huh?
Roadhog has a skin
Yes.
of that. Yeah, that's where I'd seen it before.
Briggs, Baal.
Baal, Lord of Curries.
That's a foul.
Or a Daal. Why not a Baal? Not a clue. Anger?
Might be a
Did you
good
know?
shout. Lord of Destruction.
Oh. Well, I mean, the curry weren't far off, was it?
No.
Destruction of the toilet. Sorry.
It's okay. You always bring in bringing the tone down. You're bringing the mood up usually.
Brightwing, Deathwing. Another Heradric Cube for Oriel. Number 14. I don't know if I have that one. We have a Horde of Rexar.
I think we definitely have that one.
Yeah.
We'll definitely do some updates on future videos. won't
Yeah,
it?
shorts and TikToks as well.
100%.
If you're not following us on TikTok and Instagram, get over there.
It's the place to be,
As well as here.
as well as here.
Duriel, Lord of
Insects.
Teeth.
Pain,
Oh,
Okay, fair enough.
also known as the Maggot King.
I wasn't
Maggot
far
King.
off.
They took your title, Briggs.
Yeah, PG. PG.
That's because he's smelly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Hey, that's
moving on.
even worse.
And lives in a bin because if you're an early viewer of
if you're a dedicated
EBWs,
EBW.
you'll know that Briggs still needs to jump in a bin.
I'll do it when we hit 1,000 subs.
You heard it here first.
You heard
ladies
it.
and gentlemen.
You said you'd do it when I pulled that ult out of
Mewtwo.
Mewtwo, and I've done it 3 times.
Yeah, 1,000 subs, I'll jump in the bin.
That's how he earned his nickname, the Hitman.
I'll do it for the fun.
Because we ended up hitting him. Oh wait, that's me.
Yeah. I really want to hit them.
We have Grommash Hellscream,
I thought
Cold
it was
card.
a sketch then.
That's nice.
Sargeras,
I just like knowing that you don't know what's coming next
Yeah.
with this.
Belial,
Belial.
Lord of
Eyes.
Lord of... Not Destruction. Lord of...
Carnage. Vision.
Smell. Sweat.
Lies.
Oh!
Eyes.
Oh,
Deceit.
I think Gom's the Gluttony. Yeah, Lord of Gluttony.
We know many lies, they're all dead to us.
Eh,
Not naming names. You know who you are. I'll do it in my dreams, not in real life, but I will egg your house in my dreams.
Okay. Thanks, Briggs.
Lost Vikings 2. Winton.
Winton.
Who else did you lose?
You in a minute. May. Garrosh. Kael'thas Sunstrider.
That's a nice card. It's a mixture of Thor and Doctor Strange.
Yeah, it's a good shout, actually.
Anduin. Zergling. And that was the exact same pack as the first one we opened.
Oh, really?
Then I'll take it back. I do know what's coming next.
So, it'd be nice to, in addition to the Molten Cores and stuff, there are the Overwatch Ultimate Ready cards. They're harder to find in the blasters, so hopefully we can find some of those.
We like
Yes.
a challenge.
We do.
Lucy O. Lost Vikings. Joanna. A horde of Sarah Kerrigan before she was turned into just Kerrigan,
Oh,
Queen of Blades. You alright?
yeah. I'd be
Sure.
Lord of Diabetic Needles every time. Had to get it.
Uther Lightbringer. Leah. Kurudran Wildhammer. And Probe.
Probe. No, that one well.
So we are running up to 13 minutes, Dingo, so I don't know whether you want to... Look at this.
Don't rush it.
No, don't rush
Oh
it.
no, I've been rushed now.
You've angered. Lord of Anger.
Alright, just checking our viewers aren't asleep. There we go.
Another Sigma.
Oh, we pulled him in this video, haven't we?
Yep.
Is that a sit? No.
No.
So the base set, we may have to do a base set bingo in the future if there's
Oh,
a few
I
left.
love a
But
base
you'd like
set
to think
bingo.
we're coming to the end, right?
Oh. Backwards card.
Backwards card.
I love a backwards card.
A red Winton.
Horde Winton.
Winton. Not Dale Winton.
No, he's not with us, unfortunately.
What do you mean? He's not here, obviously, in the room.
No, Dale Winton passed away, I'm afraid.
What?
Yeah, he's gone.
When?
Years ago.
Years ago. So it's not something we should be laughing about.
We're not laughing about
Rest in
it.
peace, Dale Winton,
Genuinely
of
shocked.
Supermarket Sweep fame.
And Bring on the Wall.
What a show. Why don't they bring that back?
For our US viewers, very popular UK TV show host.
That's so sad.
You've actually made me tear up now.
Malthael Horde.
That is one of the coolest cards in the set.
He is awesome.
Very nice.
Sound like Boris Johnson.
There's a base one.
Oh, nice.
Drop it in the comments if you're still here. Favourite Blizzard game? We want to know so we can tailor our videos.
Yeah, just for you guys to comment more, we'd love it.
Sombra.
Don't comment Sombra.
Yeah, don't, please don't. Horde May. I really like that art for Diablo though.
That
Yeah,
is
it's cool.
nice. Do you know if that's an original art base set?
How do you mean?
Like all the art has been tailored to this set. It's all been made from.
No, I
that.
think some
No,
things have been
Pictures
taken
been
out.
taken.
I think they've been taking it from games, yeah. Some of them would have been, I imagine.
Zoltan Cool.
Nice. Zoltan Core.
Zoltan Cool.
Oh, not Molten Core. Get me excited.
That is one of the coolest artworks.
That is sweet.
Imperious, yeah.
It reminds me of that Exodius.
Exodius.
Is that his name?
Exodia.
Oh, sorry.
You know, like the guy in Yu-Gi-Oh?
Yeah, you have to whack his arm and his legs on. He's basically like a Yu-Gi-Oh!
Jigsaw.
Yeah, let's go with that instead of what I was going to say.
Should have said puzzle, sorry.
For viewer discretion, Jigsaw is not allowed to be said.
That's another Garrosh, this video, I think.
Garrosh?
There will definitely be some
Cool down.
cards up on our eBay shop, guys. If you'd like to purchase any of these, go check that out.
What was that? White one? Just a background.
Drone.
Nice.
Yeah, some of the cards do have white backgrounds.
It throws me off.
It, yeah, threw
Yeah.
me off.
Thinking, what's going on here? I wonder if you can pull numbers in the blasters.
We
Quentin.
just
A
by
cube.
the checklist. I think it's very unlikely.
Imperious
But it
Cube.
is possible.
It's nice.
And Zeratul Horde.
Has it got a lightsaber?
It looks like
It kind of, it's like an energy beam.
Okay, yeah, we'll go with that. Sorry.
I'm not too familiar with StarCraft. I've only played it for like a couple of hours. But
Is that why you got all excited about it after opening this and went over?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I went home and played it.
I love what things do to us.
May, Garrosh, Lucio, Lost Vikings, Horde Lucio.
Banging. Tell you what, Dan, I think you might do some serious damage to this Horde set.
definitely
Hope so.
the Lord of Flies.
Belial, yeah. See, he's learning.
Horde of
Some of
Lies.
that rubbish. What do you have to do for English?
Lord of the Flies.
Yeah.
I didn't have to do that, I was in the special set.
Oh, okay.
I did of Mice and Men.
Mercy. Different art for Kel'Thas. That's the guy you said looked like Doctor Strange and Thor.
Do you know what he looks like now? Thor and Doctor Strange.
Nice. I like it.
Yeah,
I like it.
smooth.
Do you know, that really annoys me. It's called the Black Portal, but it's green.
It looks like a Yu-Gi-Oh card.
It does. It looks like a
It
green
actually
Yu-Gi-Oh
does
card.
that.
Yeah.
They've copied.
Copyright.
Yeah, it's called the Black Portal, but it's green. How annoying is that?
That's oh, Taskmaster.
Ah, yeah.
Sorry. How could I not remember that?
No, I don't know. Oh, starting with some Overwatch
Alright.
characters.
Ash,
3 of them.
Nova Terra, Horde.
Nova Twins.
What a group. Is there any, you know, like Black Ops and Call of Duty games like the Avenged Sevenfold?
Yeah.
Games, you know them like you're playing zombies. Do any of the Blizzard games have like?
No. Not that I can recall.
No.
That
Like-
was sick. Finding Easter eggs.
Murky.
I think he's my favourite
It is cool.
because he's not scary.
He's terrifying.
Can I just say, I think I'll pick the right pile again. I've got a feeling in me one.
Is it this pile here that you picked?
No, the end one.
The end one.
I don't know, I might be wrong.
Yeah, I tell you.
I don't care whether I'm right or wrong as long as there's some heat.
I'm just grateful that we've got a fella in our group that will be so destructive to buy a case of blasters for us to watch.
To be fair, I think we've got 3 of those colours, and it's all 3 of us.
Banshee. I think we definitely need that.
Son of a banshee. That's a cool card.
Yeah.
Yeah. I would love to. Why don't I do like a Kung Fu Panda game or something? Lots of open cards about Jack Black playing a panda. It's my vibe. What's that then? There's like a swamp thing.
It is.
Oh,
I think it's called a swamp lurker.
interesting.
Or a Maya lurk.
I'd love to get into Hearthstone.
Oh, no, you wouldn't.
No, you wouldn't.
No?
It's infuriating.
Tyrael. Horde.
Tyrael's got some cool cards.
Yeah, he's
Sure,
just
yeah.
a good guy.
What game's that out of? Right?
It's out of Heroes of the Storm.
Heroes of the Storm.
Tyrael's originally from Diablo.
Ah,
Yeah,
Is it
some
like
of these
a
guys
whole-
are in multiple games.
whole universe.
Yeah,
of that.
pretty much.
Yeah.
So
That's
Heroes
wicked.
of the Storm is like
You should win.
there's a Marvel game coming out that's kind of like Overwatch,
I've seen it.
and it's like brings them all in from from everywhere.
Yeah, yeah.
So Heroes of the Storm brings all characters from
Right.
anywhere in
Everything.
Blizzard.
That's pretty cool. What is that Marvel game called? It's like, I know exactly what it is, but
I don't know, but I want to get it.
do you?
It is a complete mixtake of Overwatch, but
Anything to make it Overwatch.
no, like the abilities are the exact same.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
like Scarlet Witch, for example, is the exact same as Moira.
Yeah, that's.
Or did they take it from Marvel and then...
No.
Yeah, they did, because Marvel was going for yonks.
I mean, yeah,
It has.
yeah, it has, but
Not as a game.
not as a game.
No, but the powers.
The powers.
The powers! Come on, Dan. You have the power. Molten core it, baby.
Come on,
Boom! No.
Alfurion.
Ooh, do we need that one?
Diablo 25, maybe.
Maybe.
Medivh.
Some of
Ball.
these things are absolutely vile, aren't they?
I think that's the idea. Yeah.
Why? Why can everything not just be pretty? Not like that.
Right, Ryan, this is the one you said.
The 5th and last blaster box. It's a shame, Dan, if I'm honest with you.
Yeah,
There will be more coming up though.
there's more.
So-
There's always more.
You're watching EDW cards. We're destructive.
Another Tyrael Horde.
Oh, that's a shame.
That's right, I have a friend that will want that. Cydia. Marine. Kargath. Mal'Ganis.
Why can't a set just pick horizontal or vertical? Just make a decision.
Yeah, don't mix it up in the same
Because
set.
it's difficult for us card openers.
Zul.
Tentacle Man.
Varian Rin. King of Stormwind.
I've got a feeling about this next pack, Dan.
Yeah.
I've got a good feeling. I'm feeling psyched.
Zyke.
Psyched. It's my new word.
Since.
Just then, when I said it like that. Come on.
Mogul. Malagos. Reinhardt. The Cube.
Told you.
It's another Diablo one, but a different number.
Interesting. I'd love to see that whole thing put together.
Well, maybe one day.
Maybe one day.
Medivh again. Tyrael.
Jesus
Stalker.
Christ. Are they
Don't know.
wings?
Yeah. He's an angel.
I finally finished Spider-Man 2.
Yeah.
That's a slightly scary ending
for you.
a wimp like me.
Yeah, I was gonna say, so it's probably quite tame then.
Probably got teddy bears in it.
Yeah.
Chin.
Jack Black! There it is!
Adept.
Ew.
Not seen that one.
No, I think that's a new.
Diablo. Zealot. Lyric. Deckard Cain.
I tell you what, I've never been more lost looking at how many characters there are. Is it like you lot watching Marvel? You
Oh,
just
yeah.
think, what?
Yeah, I'm clueless. I'm watching Marvel.
Uther.
Brother Uther?
Zen. Velen. Lily. Valeria again.
I want to see an Ulma ready.
Phoenix.
Bring the fire down.
Valor. Butcher.
Bring the fire.
This is a penultimate pack, boys.
Oh my god. I don't like that they end so quick.
Bastion. Lost Vikings. Torbjorn. Oh, Art of Samwise.
Get in!
Oh, nice. Have you got one of those before?
Yes, not for this character though. This is Darian Mulgrain. He gets turned into a werewolf.
Anything on the back?
So that's Samwise.
Do you want to check the back of the pack for the odds?
Believe it or not, it's the first time I've ever drew Mulgrain.
There you go, Art of Samwise, 1 in 140 packs.
Well, there you go. There's
For
a
the
hit
blasters.
for you. 1 in 140 packs.
Yep.
Jesus Christ. Are they like a canvassy?
No,
No, just normal. That's nice, man.
and there's a lovely chip on the top right.
Oh, God's sake.
Always the way with the decent cards.
Cheers up a deck. If you're a regular on the channel, you'll know that Ryan only pulls terrible Rayquaza cards.
Rayquaza.
Rayquaza?
Are you American?
Hell,
Yes!
Yep.
No, I say it correctly.
you don't.
How do you say it?
Rayquaza.
Rayquaza. There's no R in it, unless the one at the front moves.
Where's the Y after the A?
Rayquaza, man. That's what it is. Just pull a Molten Core, please.
Anduin Wren. Blackthorn. Alex Straza. Brightwing Horde.
That's nice.
Thrall. Vol'jin. Asmodunk. And Varian.
Yet again, he's called the right ruddy pile where there's a hit in it.
I shall do it again next time.
I can't turn it off.
Well, you probably don't want to go through all of those, but that's the
There's
stack of hordes that we're going to need to put into
Well,
the
we've got
binder.
35.
Our Horde of Hordes.
Horde of hordes.
Hold on.
But you got a few.
Yeah, I've got a few Heraldric cubes.
They,
It'd be cool to make the cube one day.
you should glue it together and stick
Where's your
it
art
on
of
the
Samwise?
ceiling.
They're all. I gave it to you. Yeah, you stupid. Yeah, there's 3 Diablo ones, all different numbers: 25, 12, and 1.
That is weird.
And a cheeky little case here. So there's 160 packs in a case. That's 1 in 140. So you're only going to find one of those per case.
So that is a case hit.
Yep.
You've hit the case hit.
And it's damaged.
For goodness sake.
But yeah, if you enjoyed what you saw, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Go and check out our other Blizzard videos if you like Blizzard.
And there's plenty more to come.
There is plenty more to come. If you don't like Blizzard, thank you for watching anyway. Until next time,
Goodbye.
goodbye.
Ta-da.